Hi friends. So today the shortcut is actually for the people who forget uh, to do something on an interval basis. For example, if I'm working in front of a computer, I'll forget to take a break, I forget to take a walk in between, so it will take long hours in front of the system, which will harmful to your body, right? And sometimes when you do some cooking and do some other task like doing something on computer, you will forget to go and check in the kitchen what is the status of your dish, right? So this will help you to go and check in a regular basis, or it will remind you to do something on a regular basis. Actually, we will create multiple alarms for an interval um, regularly. That's what we are going to do. So go and check. Okay, we are going to shortcuts. Okay, I have already created one shortcut there. So I'll explain what are the actions used. So this reminder action alarms is the shortcut. First we will add an ask for input script there. You will ask for a text which is label the alarm. So you can see a label while creating the alarm. So we are asking user to input that text there. Okay, it's a text, and we will set that provided input in the what4 variable. Then we will ask for a number. So how many alarms is required? For example, you need 5 alarms to be created from 10:30 to 10:25. Then you will put that number there. So we will collect that variable into how many alarms variable, and then again you will ask for an input which will be again a number, that is with interval of minutes. Like for example, you need in every 5 minutes you need the alarm, so that is the number. And so you need a start date as well, right? So both will be number, this how many alarms, and interval also will be in number. And now next is you will ask for the start time. So you need a start time to start the alarms, right? So user will input that start time. So what you need to check here is that input should be a time format. Okay, so you can change the time date format like this. So and you need to give the set that variable into start date. Now the next action is a repeat action. Actually, repeat action is an action like you can do as you can perform an action multiple times. So I'll show you repeat. So this is the action, okay, which I have used, the first one. So repeat how many times you need to repeat. So user already give that input how many alarms. Then we need to use a calculate function. So the next one is the calculate function. Okay, so I'll show what is that. Actually, calculate. Okay, yeah, the second one, calculate function. Okay, so the calculate, what we need to calculate, we need to do some mathematical operation, right? Like minute into repeated index. Repeated index means how when it repeat through the repeat loop. Actually, first time when it go, the repeated index will be 1, next time it will be 2, next time it will be 3, like that. So we are adding 5 into 1, 5 into 2, 5 into 3, if the minute is 5, if the interval is 5. Okay, so every time 5, 10, 15, 20, like that we will get. So next we need to use a adjust date action there. Okay, so we need to modify the current start time. So that will be adjust date. Okay, so we need to add the calculation result which is given in the above one, like 5, 10, 15, 20, like that. So we will add those minutes into the current start date. So if for example, if your current start time is 11:25, then 5 minutes is added first, so 11:30, then 5 minutes is again added, 10 minutes is added, so 35, then 40, like that we will get. Okay, now you need to set that adjusted time into a new variable. Okay, alarm time, and you need to create this action as well, create alarm. So there will be two parameters. First time is alarm time, so that is adjusted date, and next is the label. Okay, so there will be options like repeat and show when run. You can change it if you want. So when you disable the show when run, it won't notify you what is the alarms created. It will directly create. That's what happening, right? So yeah. So for example, so you need to create 5 alarms. For example, you need to create 5 alarms to check regularly in your kitchen, because something is there on your cooking range, so you need to check it every 5 minutes. So I have created the reminder alarm there. Okay, now if you see my alarm list, there is only 3 alarms there. Okay, go back and shortcuts and run the shortcut and test. That's what we are going to do right now. Okay, and then click start. Okay, is everything is correct? I'm rechecking it. Okay, so we are running it. So you can give the label like take a break, or just drink some water, or now for me it's like check kitchen. Okay, you can give whatever the label you want. Okay, done. Now the next is how many alarms required. I need just 5 alarms, so my dish will be ready with that time. So I just need 5. Okay, interval in minutes, so in every 5 minutes, for example. Okay, now what is the start date? Now the start date is, I'm going to give like 11:25, so I just need the first alarm on 11:30. Okay, something has happened. We'll go back and clock and check. See, 11:30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 5 total alarms is created with 5 minutes interval. So that's it.